Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January 2019. As you can see, I have already went ahead and opened it. I am going to be doing a try on this month. So as you can see, I've already got some of my face makeup done. I had to know exactly what came in the palette. I knew everybody was going to be getting a lipstick and an eyeshadow palette, but I didn't know specifically what I would be getting. Now, I did not use one of the items in here, and I'll explain why here in just a moment. And yes, as you can see, my hair is a hot mess. I am just in some comfortable clothes. I took off work today because I have to take my daughters to the doctor and have, some evaluations and things like that done. I'll actually be doing a video probably later today explaining kind of what's going on with my daughters. But today, I just want to keep it fun and keep it, kind of, as you can see, casual and comfortable. And, yeah, my strings go pretty down. But I really like this shirt. I did get it. This is one of my shirts from my Rue 21 haul. I'll link that video down below. So as you can see, like I said, I've got my foundation, concealer, contour, blush, and highlighter already on. I don't have any lipstick or any eyeshadow yet. And the reason why is I received a Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Now, there was 3 variations of eyeshadow palettes, and I really wanted the Sizzle palette that some people got, but I didn't receive it. And I really like the packaging on the outside. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a peacock design. Gorgeous. And okay, it's alright. This is what the colors look like. So some really gorgeous neutral colors. I like neutral colors, but I'm kind of wishing that I had received the Sizzle palette. It had some like redder, pinkier tones, I think. But this is still a gorgeous palette. It looks like you've got some matte, maybe one matte in here, or is it all shimmer? But we did get kind of like a little lookbook with it as well. So this is, says it's limited edition. It is retailing for $36. It says dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. So you do get 1 transition shade, and I believe that it is this. And if you hear that, that is my washer. I'm having to wash a dance outfit of one of my daughters. We had a basketball game last night, and it ended up dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow very quickly. I've got to find an eyeshadow brush. So we did receive an eyeshadow palette from Tarte, I think last year in one of the boxes. And this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. And this is what it looks like. So this is Volume 2. And sorry, this is Volume 3. So you can tell that Volume 3 has more lighter neutral shades, and Volume 2 is a little bit darker. So if I have to, I will deep into this. I haven't used it that much. I'm not real crazy about their eyeshadows, but I will use this if I need to. But my main focus is going to be on the third one right now. I just wanted to show what this one, the packaging on this one looks like. It's gorgeous packaging as well. I mean, Tarte has some really, really pretty packaging. But I'm going to focus on this one. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M330 brush to start off with for the transition color. I'm not going to be doing anything really crazy today. Like I said, I've got to take my daughters to a doctor's appointment and do a little bit of errands. But I've already got my concealer on my eyes. I have my foundation. I use my Maybelline Superstay. I'll try to link all my products down below, but so far I really do like this. I mean, it is going on really, really nice for a transition shade, and I'll probably just do one eye and then do the other eye off camera. I don't want this video to be, very, very long. And if I forgot to mention, The names are located right here. So I'm actually going in with Tiki on this eye. And it seems to be blending out pretty well. I do take my crease, I put it all over my crease, and then I also put it all over my eye lid as well, just because that's just the way I like to do my makeup. Then the next color, I'm actually going to go in with this, I think I'm going to try Malibu, which is this color here. And I'm just going to be using my fingers for the shimmer eyeshadows, because they typically, to me, shimmers usually go on better with my finger and not a brush. I'm not sure why, but I'm just kind of dragging that all over my eye. And like I said, I'm just going to be doing something, oh crap, I forgot that I already have my base on, and oh, this might not be good. Okay, so yeah, we might try a brush now. But this is the Vintage Cosmetics Company in a set that we got from Boxycharm last year. Really like these brushes. Nah, it's better with the shimmer. I'll just have to be more careful. Usually I will do my eye makeup before I do my base. Today I just wanted to do it all because I've got other things to do. But I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and finish my other eye. So even though I only use 2 shadows, I really like them. And as you can see, they blended out pretty well. Like I said, I did use the Malibu with my finger instead of my brush, just because it does blend out better to me like that. But I'll probably do a tutorial on this and the other one by itself. So if you want to see this in a video by itself, just let me know. I'll be happy to do that. Now, the next item that we did get was a Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. So we did want to see one of these as a felt tip, and I really like that one. That one's actually one of my favorite ones, and I still use it to this day. So I'm really excited about this. This is a it retails for $19. It says that they expand into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. So I don't know if this was actually out before the collaboration with Boxycharm. I'm guessing it's not. So it says it's in black, and this is the tip of it. I really like this. So I'm hoping this is a really good eye pencil. If so, I may have to look at Starlux company for other makeup, because I really like their felt tip that they sent a couple months ago. Go ahead and just try to, okay. And like I said, I'm just doing something very simple. I don't know if it's just where it's a new pencil, it's kind of hard to get a really good line. Maybe after it's wore down it would be easier. I mean, it seems pretty creamy though. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. Alright, so that one isn't exactly giving me the blackness that I really like on my upper eye. It did really good though for the bottom, so I went ahead and added it on the bottom. But this is the Starlux felt tip that we got, and this is the one that I do really like. And I'm gonna go ahead and just add some, just to make it a little bit darker up top. And this glides on really comfortably and really smoothly. So as you can see, it's a world of difference. And this is usually what I like to wear in most of my videos. It's like an everyday pencil for me. Not pencil, eyeliner for me. So there's that. And like I said, for my eye look today, I'm just keeping it pretty simple. I am going to be going in with my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And I'll go ahead and do that off camera. Just wanted to come and show you that I was using this in addition to, in addition to this. But this is a really good under eye pencil. I hope it doesn't smudge it. If not, this may be really good for underneath my eyes. So I'll be back in just a moment with my lashes. So welcome back. I actually was on the video or on a phone call with my husband while I was finishing my eye makeup up. So like I said, I did go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Yeah. And then I went ahead and done my eyebrows real quick too while I was on the phone with him. But so far I'm really liking the way my look has come out. Very natural, very simple, you know, very like get out the door and go. So the next item that we have is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I think we've received this before, I'm not sure, and I'm really excited to use this. You spray throughout freshly washed and damp hair with focus on the mid-length and the ends. So you come through and you do not rinse out. So basically you take a shower, wash your hair, get out, spray this in there. It's just leave-in conditioner. Really excited, it's strength and moisture leave-in mask. I'm really excited to use this, and I will be taking a shower, so I'll try this out and kind of see. But it smells really, really good. Really excited to use this, and this is $16. And 20 ounce. This is wait, is that right? Okay, this is 2 ounce. No, wait, that might be 2 ounces too. Sorry, it is 2 ounces. It says it's $16. I don't know that I would personally give $16 for this, but you know, to each their own. Then the next item we have is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. I love this color. I think Kathleen Lights had a hand in choosing some of the items for Boxycharm, and I believe she chose this, so I'm really excited about that. I'll put it on here in a moment. But the next item that we have is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And these are $24 for a 2-pack. So Tatcha is really, really known for their skincare. They have the like the poreless primer. It's like $52. Everybody is went crazy over it, and I'm actually kind of wanting it, but I don't want to spend $50-something on it. I think they might have a smaller option I might look into. I'm not really sure. But there's also a couple of dupes that I've seen as well. Kind of like a Wet n Wild, not a Wet n Wild, but an e.l.f. and a NYX one. I'm really wanting to get the e.l.f. one and try it out. It's like $8 and it's supposed to be just as good. But the thing with Tatcha, their poreless primer is it's got a lot of skincare ingredients in it. I think that's why it's so expensive. So a lot of people really like it for the skincare ingredients. So I'm really excited to try this out. I didn't try it out today because I'm not really big into skin masks, but I will try this out probably in another video, like a skincare related video. So I want to save that for them. And then, of course, the last item is the Ofra one, and this retails for $20. And like I said, the color is in Havana Nights. So the packaging is just gorgeous on it. Really excited to try it out. And the only thing I have on was some lip balm, and I'm just kind of rubbing it in really, really good. I like a matte lipstick, and I really am into berry colors. I don't know if this will be a little bit too dark for me though. We'll go ahead and try it. And hopefully, that's another reason why I went with a simple eye look, was because the eyeshadow or the lipstick was more bold, I guess you could say. That is the color. It's like a dark berry color, sorry. And I'm not really good at putting on lipsticks. I really hope it doesn't ruin my look. So that was just in and out. That was it. And feels comfortable so far. It's not really drying yet. And I did. This up on just one little part. So I'll go ahead and get that fixed and then be right back. So far, so good. I really like how my makeup has turned out today. I've just got to go straighten my hair, run a couple of errands, you know, stuff like that. But so far, so good. It's a little bit sticky, which, you know, this is, I think, my second or third Ofra lipstick. And I've gotten each one in Boxycharm. So I really like this color. Not necessarily the formula as much, but the packaging is, again, gorgeous. This I'm really excited about. Overall, I'm really excited about everything. And I think we've got I think, you know, I received a pretty good box. The eyeliner was unexpected. I didn't remember it being a variation, but I'm happy with it. I'm just going to go ahead and add up what my box was worth. And my box weighed, I think, 0.88 ounces, or however you want to say that. So the Briogeo was 16, the lipstick was 20, the Tarte was 36, the eye pencil was 19, and then the Tatcha was 24. So my box was $115. Usually it's been around $130, $140, but I'm not complaining whatsoever. I just really am excited to try this out, you know, for future videos. The eyeshadow palette I'll probably keep because I really did like how it went on. The eyeliner pencil, as long as it doesn't smudge underneath my bottom lashes, I'll keep it. The lipstick, we'll see. Right now, I really like it. You know, it's very bold, very dark, vampy, and I really like it. This I will try probably later on when I take a shower. And the Tatcha, I'm interested because she's got some really good skincare. It's really expensive, but if it's worth it, I mean, I am 33. I'm not getting any younger. I do need it. I do take care of my skin for the most part, but I am interested in maybe trying out some of her travel-sized or smaller options just to see if it's worth the money. I'm not spending $50 on a product I'm absolutely going to hate. But that was it for my Boxycharm this month. Hope you really enjoy it. I have a few more videos coming up that I'm really excited to film and kind of get put up, but I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Comment, like, subscribe, you know, hit the notification bell. I don't have my little sidekicks here today. They're in school. I took off work to, you know, like I said, take them to the doctor and things like that. But thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye.